All right, I'm going to show you how you can create a shortcut like this on your home screen for a specific contact, so you can text them quickly with a single tap. This used to be possible through the Contacts widget, but Samsung for some reason changed things, and now, through the widget, you can only have shortcuts that dial a phone call, but you can't create messaging shortcuts anymore. At least not with the widget. If you want to do a texting shortcut like this, you would do that through the Contacts app. So, go to Contacts, and from your list of contacts, find the person you want to create a shortcut for, and then tap that little info button to view their contact card. Then here, we're going to tap More on the bottom, and then choose Add Contact to Home Screen. Then we'll select what kind of shortcut we want, if you want to dial, direct message, or just show contact info. I like texting, so I'm going to do the direct message option, and we'll confirm that we want to add this on the home screen. And there's my shortcut. Tap, hold, and drag this to put it anywhere on your home screen. And now, with a single tap, I can hop into my conversation with that specific contact. And that is how you make a shortcut for texting someone. Click that like button if this video helped you, share with a friend who you like to text with all the time, and subscribe for more easy guides like this. Thanks all, see you in the next one.